Bicep tendonitis causes and symptoms. Bicep tendonitis develops when a tendon in the biceps muscle swells and becomes inflamed. It usually occurs with other problems with the shoulder, such as dislocation, impingement, or arthritis. A tendon is a strong band of connective tissue that attaches muscle to bone. Tendonitis can cause a person to experience pain and stiffness. It can also limit mobility. In this video, we examine the causes and symptoms of tendonitis in the biceps muscle. Types of bicep tendonitis. In the biceps, the tendon connects the biceps muscle to the shoulder and the elbow. Two tendons connect the biceps muscle to the shoulder. One of them is the long head, which connects it to the top of the shoulder socket or glenoid. The other one is the short head, which connects it to the coracoid process, that is the front of the shoulder blade. The type of bicep tendonitis a person has depends on which tendon has become affected. Distal bicep tendonitis. This is when inflammation occurs at the end of the tendon connecting the biceps muscle to the elbow. Proximal bicep tendonitis. This is when there is inflammation at the end of the tendon connecting the biceps muscle to the shoulder. Usually, a person will only have one type of tendonitis rather than experiencing it in both places at once. Causes. Bicep tendonitis occurs when tendons in the biceps become inflamed. This can sometimes be due to microscopic tears. Causes of bicep tendonitis can include genial wear and tear, overuse of a tendon in a repetitive motion, poor posture, lifting something heavy, poor technique while playing sports, injury, shoulder impingement. Risk factors. People may develop bicep tendonitis as a form of repetitive strain injury if they have poor technique while playing a sport, or if they have poor posture while working. They may tear the tendons in their biceps. Other risk factors include age. Older adults have more wear and tear on their tendons as they have more years of use. Activities requiring overhead heavy lifting. Whether it is as part of work, sports, or exercise, people who lift heavy things over their heads, such as weightlifters or those with jobs requiring heavy labor, can cause extra wear and tear on their tendons. Repetitive shoulder use. Sports that require repetitive overhead movements, such as swimming or tennis, can cause a tendon to wear more. Smoking. According to the American Academy of Orthopedic Surgeons, there is a link between the use of nicotine and poor tendon quality and strength. It is important to warm up well before any form of exercise and take regular breaks from any repetitive movements, especially overhead ones. People should also make sure they are performing any movement safely and are not putting themselves at risk of injury. For example, if a person is playing a new sport, they might want to consider taking some lessons first to ensure they have proper technique. Symptoms. Symptoms of bicep tendonitis may include pain that worsens with movement, difficulty moving the joint, which may lead to restricted mobility, muscle weakness, pain that worsens with overhead movement in particular, a clicking, grunting, or snapping sensation with movement of the shoulder, swelling in the area, often co-occurring with heat or change in skin color, Difficulty rotating the arm. Diagnosis. A healthcare professional may use various tests to diagnose bicep tendonitis, including physical examination. Taking a person's medical history and discussing symptoms will enable a doctor to diagnose bicep tendonitis. They may ask a person to demonstrate the limit of the mobility in the affected arm and compare it with that of the other arm. Tests. Tests that can help diagnose bicep tendonitis include MRI scans. This scan type can show any tears of the tendon and enable doctors to clarify assess the injury. X-rays. This cannot show soft tissues such as tendons, but they can help rule out other causes of the symptoms a person is experiencing. Recovery time. Mild tendonitis that a person can treat at home may resolve after 1 to 2 weeks. However, when a person requires surgery, the recovery time will be longer. Individuals should speak with a healthcare professional about their specific case of tendonitis for more accurate information about the recovery time. If people try to return to their normal levels of activity too soon, they may risk causing further injury to the bicep tendons, which may worsen the symptoms. Bicep tendonitis occurs when the tendon in the biceps muscle swells and becomes inflamed. While it can be a natural consequence of aging, it can still be painful and require treatment. If a person with bicep tendonitis does not allow the arm to rest, it can develop into partial or full tears of the tendons. This in turn may require surgery. With appropriate medical attention, recovery time should be short, and a person should regain full range of motion in their arm.